Your customer wants to add their Apple HomeKit device to their Control4 project. Here's how to set it up. Once your HomeKit device has been connected to the Wi-Fi network and you've installed the Apple Home app, open the Control4 app and go to Settings and Services. Tap Settings. In Smart Assistant Setup, select Apple HomeKit. Tap Connect. Choose or create a home, then tap Add to Home. Select a room to add the bridge to, in this case, the living room. You can rename the bridge if desired. Tap Done. Allow the Control4 app to add the bridge. Do not navigate away from this page while the bridge is being added and configured. When you get a success message, you know the bridge has been added properly. You can choose and rename the devices Apple HomeKit can control by tapping Available Devices. Tap Sync Project to match the rooms created in the Home app with the rooms in the project. Note that you may need to re-tap Sync Project after making adjustments to see those changes appear in the Home app. With HomeKit connected, your customer can now control their project in a number of ways. Here are some of the options. You can use the controls built into the Home app, including adding devices to Home app automations. To control devices with Siri, activate Siri and give her a command like, "Turn on the living room light." You can rename devices in the Control4 app to make this more intuitive. To add device controls to the Control Center, first, open the Control Center. Then, hold down on an empty part of the screen until the customization controls appear. Tap Add a Control. Type Home in the search bar and select Scene or Accessory. You can then choose your accessory or scene. In this case, the bedroom suite light. Tapping on the blank part of the screen will close the customization controls. You can now access your device from the Control Center directly. To add device controls to the lock screen, unlock the device, tap and hold a blank part of the screen until the customization controls appear. Tap Customize. Then select Lock Screen. Tap Add Widgets. Then select Home in the list. Available device controls appear in the list. Tap the widget to add it to the lock screen. Tap Done in the top right to save your changes, then tap a blank part of the screen. You can now access the device controls from the lock screen.